Want to introduce yourself, man?
Nice to meet you. It's Jimmy.
Jimmy. So what'd you come over here for, man?
For this nice HKS piping.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna go upgrade.
How many ways can I say it, man? Damn it, let's toast. I ain't gotta brag, ain't gotta boast. I ain't made it yet, but damn it, I'm close. And everybody knows I'm going the most. Except no imitation. I'm inspiration. I'm elevation. Let's get tight.
I'll be so mountain high, I'm feeling elevated. Fuck it, I can touch the sky. Riding this escalator, way to reach my destination. Never hesitating, even when them haters keep on hating. I'm the life of the party. No tailgating, drink that Bacardi. We fucking celebrating, no limitations. I gotta go all the way, and this time I'll be paving my own lane, letting no one hold me back or talk behind my back. And let's make it toast to never going broke, that's a fact. It's my life, I gotta make the best out of that. Inspired by the fire in my eyes, I light up the night.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a bit. This is Skylyfe Projects. Hope you all doing good and staying blessed. Today is a Saturday and I got another video for you guys. What I'm going to do today is a flyby video with the HKS Catback Legamax exhaust. We're going to see how it sounds because we need this before video for the after effect, right? Because I got a RV6 catted downpipe and RV6 front pipe combo coming up. Obviously that includes the Honda tune and everything else with it. So let me show you guys the road real quick that we're gonna be on. Hold up one sec. So this is the road right here. Just gonna take it this way. It's gonna go like that. There's the Type R, as you can see, looking beautiful. And yeah, so also I just want to say I appreciate everybody that, get out of the wind here, that subscribes and tunes into my channel, that decides to comment, like the videos. But for you clowns that are actually disliking my video without even watching it, that's some sucker shit. And I'm gonna tell you straight up, that's some real sucker shit. I don't do that to anybody's videos. I always give them the benefit of the doubt. If I like it, I hit like, I watch the whole video. If I don't like it, I dislike it. All right? I'm a growing channel and I would really appreciate it if you guys would actually just tune in and watch the videos as opposed to just saying, oh, fuck this video and dislike it. Bro, that doesn't make any sense. Like, really just give it time, watch it. If you don't like it afterwards, then hit the thumbs down button. It doesn't matter to me. This is not my main job. I have my 9 to 5, you know. I grind hard every single day for my family, for my kids, you know what I mean? So, sorry to be a little bit negative, y'all, but I just wanted to put that out there because I'm not here to play games. I'm here just to give you guys creative content. You guys like it, like the video. You don't, dislike it, leave a comment. I'm always here to answer your questions, your concerns, whatever, okay? Now, with all that being said, I'll be right back. I'm gonna set this car up. is the flyby. I did about 4 different swings, you know, back and forth. Hope you guys like the sound of it, because that sound isn't lasting long, right? Like I said, I got that RV6 downpipe and front pipe combo coming up. Yes, I'm keeping it as a catted downpipe. I'll be running probably a variable tune, you know. I'm not sure exactly what tune exactly I'm going with. I am going to run the bass map for a little bit, see how that does with Honda. But yeah, also got a splitter kit coming up from, it's an Australian company. It's called Flow Designs Australia. So I'm going to do that kit, check that out, you know. And yeah, hope everybody is doing good. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did like the video, leave it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed already, please subscribe. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. This is Skylyfe Projects. I love you all. Much love and blessings. And always, always, don't hesitate for a damn thing. Live your life to the fullest, the way you feel it should be. Yeah, we'll stick with that. Later, guys. All right, y'all, just wanted to give you a little bonus clip real quick. Show you a Type R that pulled up to the pad. Another SGP. He's got the TE37s. It's a 2019 Honda Civic Type R. He said he's going with the Op 7s, of course, because you saw mine. He loves them. TE37s are looking nice and meaty. What's up, bro? Want to introduce yourself, man?
Bro, nice to meet you. It's Jimmy.
Jimmy. So what'd you come over here for, man?
For this nice HKS piping.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna go upgrade soon.
Oh, and a PRL box. Okay, let's see what we got in here. All right.
Piping kit.
Got the full manual and everything.
Yes, sir.
PRL sticker to go with it.
Everything.
Nice.
Ready to go soon.
So you're gonna put it on here, huh?
Correct.
Right there, guys. He's doing the HKS intercooler. Obviously, he's gonna use the piping kit, and he's got the PRL HVI. Looks like he said he's gonna do a strut bar coming up. You got a lot more coming up, right?
Yeah, soon to be short block built, so hopefully like in 5 months or so.
Nice, man. Cool. Anything else you want to say about your car, bro?
Pretty much I love it. It's a really fun daily, especially for commute and pretty much go broaches. It's like the best car so far I own. So it's really fun, especially for a four-wheel drive car.
Awesome. All right, Jimmy. Thanks, man.
Thank you. Nice meeting you.
You too, brother.
Rolled out, royalties in my team. Only things we talk about, money coming in faster than it's ever been. Like Cali, all we do is win. Posted in the valley, cash moves everything around me. Like a money pool, you see me drowning. System in the trunk, bump bitches like the way it be sounded. Fill my cup up for the ones.